Good morning, sir. I'm Kian Harvey Lozano. I'm going to add role ADDS and create new forest and domain. First, you must log in your administrator account. And then after that, you need to click manage and this one. Then next. Next. And then next again. And then click the Active Directory Domain Services and add feature. I didn't click DNS server because it will automatically added. So next, and next. Go ahead to check this one, restart, and then yes, then click install. I'm going to fast forward the video because it takes too much time. And after that, click close and then click the yellow warning sign above and then click promote and then click the add a new forest and then create or type your domain name. Click next and just wait, and from here you're going to make your own password. Make sure it is not weak. After you input password, just click next and then next, then just wait. And then click next. Then next again. After that, just click install. After that, you will be notified this. Just click close and then it will automatically restart. So after that, you need to open this and then log into your administrator account. So as you can see, the ADDS and DNS are now officially added. So that's all. Thank you.